Hey guys, you might be wondering why my hands are orange. Well, it all starts right here. Today I decided to harvest some turmeric and make some turmeric powder. First step, pull it out of the ground. There's a nice piece. I always like to throw a couple pieces back in the ground, and turmeric will spring up next year. Now we've got to wash our turmeric, which can take a little while. We want to wash it really good. We also want to get that part right at the stem there, because there's always a lot of turmeric right there. Once I've separated, I'm going to scrub it really good with a brush, just to make sure we get it super clean. Now, we're going to grate it. We want to get into as small pieces as possible. Last year when I did it, I cut it up with a knife. This year I decided to use a grater. Now I'm going to put it on a tray, and I want to spread it out pretty evenly and not too thick, because I want it to be able to dry out in the dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven. Just set it at about 140 degrees and leave it in there from 4 to 6 hours. You'll know it's ready when it kind of feels crispy. You don't want any softness or moisture at all. You want it to feel really crispy. Once you have that, all you got to do now is grind it up. There's lots of different methods for grinding it up. I like using this stone and round it around and grind it up real good into a powder. Now you're still going to have large bits inside there, so you're just going to put it all in a bowl and you're going to sift it with a strainer. And what's going to come through is a very fine turmeric powder, just like you'd buy in the store, except it's fresh and you grew it yourself.